Assalamu alaikum friends, assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you for Easter centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, I will share with you. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, first idea is step first we make a slate. Sorry. We are going to make a beautiful Easter centerpiece. This design is soft, colorful, and perfect for your table decoration. Easter is the time of joy, colors, and happiness, and a handmade centerpiece can make your home feel warm for special. Let's start our lovely project. So friends, Easter is a time of color and happiness. We decorate our homes with flowers and lights, Easter eggs, and cute bunnies. We make everything look fun. It's feel fresh, bright, and peaceful. Easter bunny theme. This Easter bunny is a symbol of joy. It brings smile and happiness. Children love Easter because of cute bunnies and eggs. It is a day full of fun and excitement. And friends, Easter bunny theme. This Easter eggs are colorful and beautiful. They show new life and hope. People decorate egg in bright color. It is a fun and creative activity for everyone. Easter is not just a day, it is feeling of hope you love. It reminds us to stay positive and to be kind to others. A fresh start, a new beginning. So friends, I hope you like more videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more videos and updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. So friends, Allah